A palpable tension continues to simmer at the heart of Zimbabwe's political establishment as President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, VP Kosano Chiwenga appear locked in a high-stakes power struggle. The latest flashpoint arrived in the form of a stern warning from Attorney General Virginia Mabiza, who unequivocally stated that cabinet members must publicly support President Mnangagwa's Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, Cap 3, or face resignation. This directive, issued over the weekend, was widely interpreted as a direct challenge to VP Chiwenga, whose opposition to the proposed constitutional changes is becoming increasingly evident. Sarabira mashiko budanyi kupangwa na chinzi. The power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga over Zimbabwe's future. But was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Mwabudanyi kwa mchinzi. At the core of this escalating political drama is Cap 3, a legislative proposal that seeks to introduce significant alterations to Zimbabwe's constitution. Analysts and political observers suggested that the bill's primary objective is to extend President Mnangagwa's tenure beyond the constitutionally mandated 2 5-year terms, potentially allowing him to remain in office until 2030. Furthermore, the bill reportedly aims to scrap presidential elections, making the selection of the head of state a reserve of parliament. Such amendments would fundamentally reshape the country's political landscape, concentrating more power in the executive and potentially undermining democratic processes. The depth of Chiwenga's dissent was starkly illustrated by a sermon he delivered at a Roman Catholic Church event in Mrewa, Mashonaland East Province, which has since been widely discussed and interpreted. The former army general, known for his measured public pronouncements, chose to preach about the biblical King Hezekiah. In his sermon, Chiwenga recounted how King Hezekiah, after being told by Prophet Isaiah to prepare for his death, requested and was granted 15 more years of life by God. However, the vice president pointedly added that Hezekiah subsequently spent these extended years in jail after his people revolted against his reign. Doma developments are kubuda pangwa ino pina comment section medu bzafungura imo tukile pamzero pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.